The euro-dollar pair gained about 250 pips in the first 2 trading days of the week. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair soared by as many as 350 pips. The rise came following statements made by some Fed policymakers on a Friday about a possible slowing in the pace of aggressive interest rate increases. Notably, it was such a steep rise that it sent the dollar to the oversold zone. In fact, we may now feel some uncertainty in the market as investors brace for Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech today. They expect him to give some hints about the future of the Fed's monetary policy. Already tomorrow, the United States will see the release of its inflation report. If consumer prices go down as a forecast, it could pave the way for a slowing in the pace of rate hikes, which in turn could affect the greenback's value. On the top of that, trade unions in the UK have failed to reach an agreement with the government. So Britain will face more strikes across sectors from healthcare to transport, and that is clearly a negative factor for the sterling. Through the US dollar index, it will drive other currencies down, including the euro. Moreover, a correction in the market will be needed. According to the chart of the euro USD moving sideways, the price rose from the support level of 1.05 to 1.0760. Consequently, the pair updated the swing high of the uptrend from October last year. The market is still trading sideways. Speculators simply ignore signals coming from technical indicators that the euro is overbought. If yesterday's swing high is updated, the pair may hit toward the mark of 1.08. Alternatively, if the pair goes below the level of 1.07, a correction may begin. Speaking of the pound-dollar pair moving sideways, it advanced to 1.22 despite trading at around 1.1850 just several days ago. The pair is clearly overbought, although speculators prefer ignoring this technical signal. The quote pulled back to 1.2150, but the bullish sentiment is still strong among traders. Therefore, should the price increase above 1.22, the sideways movement may resume. However, if the pair consolidates below 1.2130 on the 4-hour chart, this could be seen as the first sign of a full-fledged correction to the psychological level of 1.20. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.